Hello everyone, welcome to my HackerRank 30 Days of Code Challenge. Today we will be working with day 2 challenge, which is operators. In this challenge, they're expecting us to use the arithmetical operator and then solve the problem. So I will just give a brief of this problem. So in this problem, we will have three input. First one will be meal cost, and then the next one will be tip percent, and the third one will be tax percent. So they are expecting us based on the meal cost and using the percent of tip and using the percent of tax, we need to calculate the final meal price and return the value and print the value. So here let's go to the coding section. So what we can see, they have already given us the structure of input. How should we take the input? So if you remember in our last exercise, we couldn't we had an issue like when we're trying to take input, it was coming as a string. So now I think they already solve it and they already show the way how should we take care. So that's one of the good point. And let's say from here it will take the meal input variable for meal cost, like input value for the meal cost. Second one is the trip 20% and the tax percent. So as you can see, meal cost is a float, and then the tip percent and tax percent is an integer. So what we can see that our output should be also in the nearest. They mentioned that we need to round it up to nearest integer. Okay. Then let's start writing the code. So it's a will be probably the simplest one. So what we need to do, so we can just assign a variable called total. Total should be, it will be the meal cost, then plus meal cost into uh, let's say as is a percent. So we need to divide, yeah, we need to divide it into divide it by 100 and then multiply, then it goes the meal cost, then go on with the tax. So for tax percent we also need to do it for 100. Yeah, so meal cost into, then we need to get this and divide it by 100. So now we have our total, then we can just simply print the total. Okay, um, this should be it. Yeah, more or less. Let's try out. Let's run the code. Okay, so here the wrong answer. Yeah, of course it will be a wrong answer because we need to round it to the nearest integer value. So what I can do is round the total, and let's see, run it again. Yeah, and that's it. So it's probably done. So let's submit the code and see. Yes, and it's passed all of the test case. So that's great. So yeah, it's passed all of the test case. So of course, I think for that was it. I think it was also a pretty much easier challenge, and probably once we go into roll into day 3, 4, or 5, it will be much more harder as I expect. So I think, yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.